When you hire an architect, you gain access to a team of professionals from various disciplines. These professionals, called a design team, contribute their expertise to develop the design and bring your vision to life. In this video, we will cover who will be on your design team and the role they play during the project. My name is Nick Lindsley, and I'm an architect here at Newman Munson. Most building projects require more than just an architect and engineer. Often, your architect holds contracts with the design team members and will account for their time and effort in the fee proposal. Throughout the design process, you will likely interact with various members of the design team, so this video will help you understand their roles and responsibilities. Most building projects involve a project architect and a project manager. A project architect leads the other designers on the project, oversees drawings and modeling, and coordinates with third-party consultants. They also oversee contract administration and visit the construction site to ensure work matches the design intent. A project manager is responsible for billing, budgeting, client communication, and scheduling. They are the client's primary contact throughout the design process, and on smaller projects, the roles of project architect and project manager are combined. To learn more about what to expect from a project manager, watch the video in the description. Most projects also involve an interior designer. The interior designer works with the project architect to develop interior layouts, select furniture and finishes, and create a cohesive look and feel for interior spaces. On some projects, they may work directly with the client to select FF&E. Interior designers also produce drawings, like interior elevations. For a smaller interior fit-out project, the interior designer may take on a project manager role. Typically, projects that include outdoor spaces involve a landscape architect. These professionals work with architects and engineers to design the building site, including elements like walkways, landscaping, grading, and more. Depending on the architecture firm, the landscape architect can be a part of the internal team or a third-party consultant. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is the process of managing digital information throughout a building project's lifecycle. The information can include digital design plans, drawings, models, performance data, and more. Most architecture firms use some form of BIM. A BIM specialist will oversee its use, help create 3D models, and manage other digital data associated with the project. Structural engineers are typically essential to any building project. They work with the architects to design the building's structural system and ensure the stability and safety. They detail all structural building elements from the foundation to the roof. Most projects, save interior renovations, involve a civil engineer. Working with the landscape architect, they focus on site development and infrastructure design. They design plans for traffic circulation, parking, pedestrian pathways, grading, drainage, and stormwater management. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, or MEP engineers, collaborate with architects and interior designers to create plans for the building's mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. Occasionally, the mechanical and plumbing engineer may be the same person. On more complex projects, these roles are separate. The electrical engineer is nearly always a separate professional. Occasionally, they may oversee the design of telecommunications, IT, and AV systems. Depending on the size and complexity of the project, your architect may recommend additional third-party consultants. For example, on a smaller project, the mechanical engineer may oversee fire protection drawings. An additional consultant may be necessary in a larger project to complete the work and comply with the necessary codes. Likewise, your architect may recommend an additional consultant for IT and AV design, depending on the project's requirements. Building projects with unique sustainability goals may involve the input of a sustainability consultant. While a large number of consultants may seem overwhelming, your architect should act as their leader, directing the team to realize your goals. Building projects are complex and require the expertise of many professionals. Your architect should account for these professionals in their fee proposal and lead them throughout the design process. Understanding the roles and responsibilities of everyone on your design team can lead to a more engaging process. Beyond your design team, you will also encounter many professionals during construction, including contractors and subcontractors. Learn more by reading about the pros and cons of the 5 most common project delivery methods.